I tell around here saying around at the front room I'm supposed to be me and you. I tell around here I'm lonely at night time.
Yeah, I work on that. But
how long it go take?
you know, you got things take a little time. I mean, I can't just run and tell humans. I work on it, man.
But you're not happy with she. So you have to put on your foot because you're the man.
Kenisha, what you want me to do? Just go to you, man, and just tell him, say, I work on it. But things take a little time, you know.
You need to do it because you're not happy. And you're happy with me.
Listen, I work on it, man, I tell you. Just give me a little time, yeah?
Anything
I forget ready for go to work. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. You good?
Babe. Kenisha? Kenisha?
Come. What are you saying now?
Indeed.
Are you me look fine now?
You know, sir. Kenisha ain't feel too good, you know. I'm going to bring her to Panadol.
Oh, so you feel better now?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll come back to bed now?
Yeah, man. So, Kenisha, we'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Alright. God almighty. Yeah, dear. You're not even
Yo, Kenisha, you me calling, you know. Yo, place, yo, can't believe say I say that youth. Yo, me rate the place, you know.
You
It's
can't
nice, youth.
you cannot
God
in
know,
here when you're
youth.
shooting at people most in your shoes, you just
What you
jump in
mean?
like out, so.
No, man, yo, so why not finish your drink? I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, everything, you know. Yeah, nothing in there.
You feel like my place, get up out of people them couch in your dirty clothes like your
Talk about
shoes.
Kenisha. Yo, sit down side of me, man. Yo,
You know,
yo,
see you
check it
now
out.
move right because you're not here, though.
Wait what? Come like you now, come back up, so you know, cause we see you comfortable, you know, and they don't, you know, with all them big coach and everything. You know, come back up a
So
yard.
that Gary, if you come to people them couch in your dirty clothes of your shoes.
Can't give me something out of the fridge for drink, Kenisha, cause I'm thirsty, you know, man. Cause I love how you up here live and thing. I be things are going for you, you know.
You need people and soon come.
So, yo, You can't give me something to drink out of the fridge.
Yeah, what go on with the house?
Yeah, house soon done you know, you know. Yeah, man, the house nice you know, man. But to you comfortable down, you say, come like say you not come back up, so you not come back.
Come back. You go put your AC up there in the room there. Me tell that fan, you know, mosquito all sing na me ears ding in it.
AC,
Yeah, manage it.
come like you used to down here so till y'all tell me about AC. AC in the room them round there?
Yes, I live life. Me not coming back.
Yo, I can't believe it, you're going good do, but God know you. Want something for drink, man. You must something for drink, man, not
A tongue alone.
You know, say one shot of Hennessy me a pre do.
You can buy Hennessy? What is?
You know, no chaser, you know, nothing can chase.
No, I flick it
God
tongue.
know, yo, place comfortable still, no lie.
I don't want you. Come and people in here. Go your wine Hennessy.
So, yo, Kenisha, you say,
No bother me.
yo, I hope you find the chaser and
I want it.
Hennessy.
Mr. No chaser no day a little tongue. You deaf? Well, listen.
Yes, how much Hennessy you put in there?
A tongue. Me not get no Hennessy. Me forget it.
Tongue, can't believe it,
You
you.
have no tongue of your national juice. How this? You used to nothing else more than tongue?
But the place go on nice and thing, I think it all make me get one shot of rum and one shot of Hennessy
You
and
need
it.
to leave before them come. You need to leave. You need to leave before people them come.
Leave? I'm
Class.
ready to leave.
You have to leave because me don't want them come here so me can man in a them house.
I'm ready yet, you, and some feel comfortable and sitting.
You know, so you take everything for Joe. Me not playing.
I know. I say I did me say all this. Cause me nobody want none, cause not Hennessy. I say you nah come up so come drink me.
Me know. Me
Oh,
know.
soon done, you know. You nah forward.
Soon. Me know.
I know, youth. I mean, I tell you, I saw them dear picture they have in there. Your place nice still, yo. But guess what, go on? You wait for you know.
When you put AC, you come.
Still a talk about AC.
Yes.
You got money, you know, see nothing now go on. May I get money from for buy AC, put in a house.
When something happen, me come.
Boy, may I tell you, say, place nice though. But here, may I say, and next week you forward in.
Whenever you put in the AC, me I go come.
You can work on next week.
No, go on. You
So
never
you
want
deal
to
with
in
me?
the first place. Go on, no, man.
Can't believe so.
You come here so for torment me.
Yo, make sure some later you can link me, you know.
Hi.
Hey, what go on?
Glad you got my message.
Yeah, you text me to meet you and left work and we pick up some food. Favorite too, fried chicken, rice and peas with
Yeah,
the
that's good.
gravy and thing.
Yeah, I like it.
What go on? Thing good? Hey, me don't know if we should either like meet out saying at the park, like open, you know.
And it's
People talk, you know.
it's fine. We're not doing anything, so I guess it's fine. But I really have a news to break to you. I don't know if you're going to take it light or you're just going to be happy with it or whatever. But
Jesus, that sounds like bad news.
I guess so. You want to hear?
Yeah.
I think I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? You
Yeah.
think or you know?
I did a test and it showed that I'm pregnant.
I don't know if even if I feel good or yeah, I feel good. No, but I feel bad. Shit.
What do you mean, feel bad? Isn't this a good news for you? Because you can't have a. I don't know. Whoa. You're not happy?
Yeah, of course. But
This is a perfect chance to get out, Roxanne, you know?
yeah, Jesus. A million things are going on in my head right
You
now.
need to relax. It's
I'm
not
want
that-
it. Thinking about my first child. But Roxanne,
It's not a big of a deal, you know. You just have to put on your foot and know what you want. I mean, know say this you want, so why problem?
you're sure though, right?
Yeah, I'm sure. Why?
Sure. And it's for me.
Of course it's for you, what you mean?
And that me did I tell Roxanne, you to me, all that tell her. Right? What me tell her? Say?
she-
All that tell her, say, you see, nothing wrong with me. Me know.
Yeah,
Nothing wrong
so
with
you
me.
worry yourself. You need to put her up because she
Yeah.
will not accuse you.
I got that I forgot go on. She been accused me for chew down.
Yeah.
For chew.
And the other day, I hear no arguing. You didn't know?
You did hear?
Yeah, I was here.
Jesus, no. I forgot do it. I forgot. Anyway, you alright? You need anything?
No.
Some better food?
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah, that's nice. I like the food.
a pregnant food them there? That all?
Yeah, and I think the craving I go start already. So this school, yeah.
Jesus. No. Me did know, you know. You always know. You see that?
Yeah.
But guess what? It's like me excited and afraid at the same time.
You need to be afraid.
Alright, I forgot to go back on the work, but so maybe we talk about this later, yeah?
Alright, later.
I forgot to go back around, yeah.
Yeah, alright, I'm going to chill out for you, so.
Alright. Me did always know. I knew it. Hey, why are you acting weird?
No, I'm not talking with you.
Why
I'm
is that?
tired around here, so. I'm lonely and I can't do
I
this.
told you, I'm working on it. You just gotta give me a little time.
But you're working very slow, you know that? Your best isn't enough. Remember, we have to be able together, we need to take this thing. We need for
I know, believe me.
you know?
I know. So, what exactly you really want?
Me need to be around here, so with you.
Listen, I'm doing the best I can. Everything I gonna be alright. Just give me a little time. Alright?
You want
And you
to?
can't act so weird towards me. Oh, she go figure out
Me
something
make here because
going on.
I do
Just act
time now.
normal.
I do time now.
Huh?
The baby need to feel your hand on the belly and thing. Yeah, there's me no know. Every time I think about it, me have to just laugh because you see you go and do something and you now make a
I
move.
will. Trust me. I work hard on it, but just act normal when she's there, alright? You act too weird and weird.
24 hours. 24 hours.
You got time?
Yes.
Is that time limit?
Me don't comfortable.
That's not even right.
Yo, Kenisha. Yo, me know you hear me I call you and you see me call and I go on like you know man. Pick up your phone, you know. Yo, you go on some more, you move so. Eh? Yo, it's done here now, you know, youth. A forward man, you forward pan the ends, you know, youth. You see it? I'm gonna call you and go on like you know man. Me know you know. Me know you do it phone thing. Me know say right now. You see all I miss call them youth. And you just not answer your phone. Me know, Yo, right now I feel a way, you know, Kenisha. I can't even believe it, daddy. It's the last year. Yeah, move so. Like, you know, I'm forward back on the ends. Eh? Yo, it's done here now, you know. So, yo, more you forward back on the ends. Yo, hey, more you pick up your phone and answer it, you know, because you say, man, I call you, you know, youth. Hey, girl, I know you ramp with me, you know, my friend.
Kenisha. I know you hear me. Kenisha. Don't treat me like that. I just want to talk.
So the sun hot. Oh, what am I going to sit down with here?
You want to sit down?
No,
We have something to tell you.
No, I'm alright. Just start now. What?
She don't want to sit down?
Why you at nervous?
Since I him not tell because you're afraid you're gonna leave.
We have one baby. My first child. did I try to tell you a long time? And it's like we want you to leave. No,
You have to
no,
leave
yes, sir.
right now.
We have to say.
You shocked talk, we need to hear your 2
Like,
points.
no,
I am not talking to you.
Yeah,
What
okay.
you mean?
me and Tanisha, we're having a baby. For the last couple of months, we've been together. And she's having my first child. And we want you to leave. No, like, today. Yeah, it's happening.
Relax your little
Try
self.
warning.
When you try warn me,
So like, no, we want you to leave like right now, ASAP. You all have your backpack already. See this? You not even have to go into the room. Everything right packed. Ready to go. That's it.
you lose your mind?
No.
You lose your
You
mind?
not lose me not.
You not lose your mind?
Roxanne, I'm serious.
What you mean?
But don't tell you what I mean already. It's happening. I've been trying to tell you from the past.
You've been
couple of
trying to
months
tell me
that
what?
I'm not the problem.
You've been...
Hey, hey,
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Oh, you have to do this to me after me take... Do not touch me!
She's pregnant.
Don't touch me! After me taking out my house, you really do this to me?
she's
You
pregnant.
really-
I don't see her fault.
Tanisha, do not...
Did I tell you a long time?
What you made a choice to this to me?
She's pregnant.
What you mean?
You're gonna have to immature.
You know what me leave I go tight to over this. What you mean?
Don't tell you what I mean already. I try to warn you.
After everything, Stevie, after
Yeah, that's
everything
it.
I got you, after everything I want Bill,
What you want me to do?
why this never crossed my mind for go out there and cheat on you? You cheat with my niece?
It just happened. What you want me to do?
Why you never, you just, what you mean by it just happened? You know just happened.
It just happened.
Oh, it just happened.
You never get pregnant. She get pregnant. It was just one time. Me don't know. It just happened.
Tell her the truth.
Talk like you shut your mouth, nobody talk to you. Control her.
Hey. 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 Yeah.
You protect me. I want to protect this to me.
Hey, you have to go.
To me.
Just leave, alright?
Why do this to me, please?
You do it to yourself.
Don't do this.
Just go, alright?
Don't do this to me.
No,
Keisha,
no.
why you do this to me?
Yo,
Really?
I saw it ago. I'm tired of going through this back and forth with you.
But when me
I told you I'm ready to have my first child. I can't wait no more. It's happening.
baby, we could have had that. We could have done so much more. Please
Yeah,
don't
I
do
forgot.
this to me. Please
Go.
don't do this
Call
to
the
me.
police.
Call police for what?
Because you have to go. Tell us you have to go. I don't want this thing get out of hand and get no further. Just go, Roxanne.
Please, just please.
Just go.
Please, Stevie.
Just go. Hey, David,
Oh, me, I got Oh, me, I got this.
you have to go figure it out.
Just give me a chance. Just give me a
You have to go
chance.
figure it out. No more chances.
Oh,
Think about balloon this.
me, I got Oh, me, I got Stevie,
Yeah,
please.
alright?
Stevie, please.
Go.
Kenisha.
Go on, dirty girl.
What me, I
Yeah,
got
man, make that balloon girl go on, man.
Please, just give me a
Go on,
chance.
go on and show her, yeah? So, babe, you think we should tell people? Can we really want to call Auntie Titi and
Why
tell
not?
her, you know?
That's something for you to tell everybody. Yeah, rush thing. Takes time, you know.
Rush it, you sure?
Eventually, everybody gonna find out, but for now, you have to just make it stay on the road.
Alright, Jesus. I'm just excited, man. No long may I wait on this.
You're supposed to be excited. You just need to relax and just keep it on the low. Eventually, everybody gonna find out, but for now, just leave it.
Alright. Hello. What mean I think about name? What do you think about Nas?
Nas.
Yeah. Yeah,
But
always
when
like
next
the
year
name
gonna
Nas.
come up with Lil Nas X and XXX Tassia, I don't want a rapper name. Leave that. I don't like that.
Alright. So we should go pick out a crib or something, you know?
Just,
Where everything nice and posh, you know?
so why you rush things? Of course, one of them, I want to fix up a place and things. By the way, who put that on currently?
Roxanne picked them out.
Me I go change. Me don't want to have nothing in here for where she put up or not. Everything I forgot change out.
Seriously?
I want to change the color of the wall and everything.
Seriously?
Yes. I think about yeah, over the corner there, with a thing for put the crib over there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, those were so like look, yeah, over there so nice. I want to change up everything. I want to move the closet there. Put it right this and put the just over there. So what you think?
Hey, anything you say, babe? I
Yeah,
work with
because I
you.
feel we're doing this now, so, you know.
Same. Alright, so we can start go on the road, look on some baby stuff and, you know?
Why you rush things?
Me not rush, me just want everything to be right. This is my first child.
Okay, so,
And I know that I gonna be a son. You
son.
see me? Yeah.
Okay. Anything you say, but whenever I'm ready, I'm going to make you know. Say,
Alright.
okay?
Alright, let's go and get the rest.
Alright.
Now hook up some breakfast and
Alright, me I go and get some words.
alright, cool. Hey, Auntie Titi, I actually have some good news for you. Yes. Yeah, it's happening. I know, I'm elated. Elated. No, it's not. Not with Roxanne. Mr. Auntie Titi, I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you one next time. I said the girl, Roxanne, wicked. The girl do me a thing, you see, Auntie? Yeah, but I go fill you in. By Sunday, I call you and fill you in. But yeah, finally. All right. Cool. I'll talk to you then. All right. Sunday. Okay. Bye.
I'm not getting it.
Hello.
Mm, 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 mm.
Hey, beautiful.
Oh, hey.
How you doing? Mind if I join you?
It's okay.
Man, why you face like that though?
It's that obvious.
It actually is. I mean, like, why is a beautiful girl like you sitting here sulking like it's a beautiful day?
I'm not sulking.
You seem like you have a lot on your mind though.
Well, yeah, I'm going through a lot.
You're going through a lot? Damn. But, excuse me, pardon my manners though. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maurice,
Okay.
and you are?
Okay, Roxanne.
Roxanne, pleased to meet you. Like, on a real though, like, you shouldn't be out here by yourself. I mean, damn, girl.
Well, I'm not really by myself, though. I'm waiting on my friend.
Waiting on a friend?
Yes.
Well, your friend shouldn't be letting you waiting so long, though.
Well, I chose to be here early.
You choose to be here early. Because you have a lot on your mind, isn't it?
Right. I'm need for like, get it out before she come because I don't want to get no bad energy.
I feel you. You know, I actually do those things at times, like take long walks on the beach, clear my head, those sort of stuff. So, you should try that sometime.
I'm far from the beach, actually. I know where I stay at, it's not really, when I can take a walk and clear my head.
Well,
And the sun's so hot these days. And then I'm busy with work, so when I reach home, I'm tired.
oh, okay. I understand all of that. But you got to set time for yourself, though. Self-love is the best love.
I'm gonna try. I do try.
You need to do more, though. And look, you have a beautiful smile. Like, come on.
Yeah, thank you.
Look at your face. You're lighting up the day. Damn. You should smile more often. It
I
suits
will.
you.
Thank you. Well, I'm surprised I'm here smiling with you because there's so much that's going on in my head right now.
Oh, man.
It's been a while since we actually smiled.
Wow. You know what? I'd like to make it my point of duty to actually put a smile on your face every day.
I'm
If you
not
allow me.
interested, no.
You sure?
Yes.
I guarantee to like be a real nice person to you.
Well, actually, I'm going through a breakup right now.
And I get
I
it.
was with that guy for 4 years.
It's okay. You're going through a breakup. I'm not trying to rush anything. I'm just trying to be your friend right now.
Just a friend?
I just want to be your friend
Just
for
a
right now.
friend.
I mean, we have to start somewhere.
Okay,
And look at your face right now. You said it yourself. It's been a minute since you've actually smiled. So actually, this is a good thing, don't you think?
maybe.
It is. Plus, I got a few spots I could take you to, like let you help you clear your head.
Okay, why not?
Yeah, I mean, so I would definitely really, really want to see you again now.
I don't know. Maybe if we see again.
Well, let's make it a possibility than a probability.
I can't promise anything.
How about your number though?
You can give me Instagram.
All right. I mean, it's a start. Yeah, just put it right in it.
Okay, follow it. Or still on.
You can follow. Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So I'm gonna let you get back to your chilling.
Okay.
But it was really nice meeting you though.
It was nice meeting you.
All right. So I'll see you around. All right.
Maybe.
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 All right. Keep that smile up.
I will.
Okay.
Yo, Ronnie. Ah, go on. Stevie, man. Yeah, dog. When y'all link me? Shotty pregnant, dog. Yeah, bro. After me try to tell this woman said, me need a girl did pregnant and all them something among you. This was never me in the first place. She never want to learn. She never want to listen. But yeah, dog, when you link me, me give you the 100, see? Yeah, man. Alright, my brother, man. Anytime, man, pass you. Bless. Yo, the ice cream is good, though.
Yeah, it was okay.
I know. Seriously, babe, I'm not telling a lie. This is like the happiest time in my life. I want to do a baby shower. I want to do a gender reveal. The whole works. What do you think?
So, you know how to do all of that?
What do you mean?
So much excitement. And
No, I want this to be perfect. That you don't even know.
But
No, long wait for this.
understand, so you want it to be perfect, but yeah, you know, I don't think that all of that call for.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Who's that? Roxanne? Hang up that.
Roxanne, why can't you just leave us alone? Just get it through your head. No, I'm happy. No, because you give me something that you could not have given me. Just leave us alone, Roxanne. It's done. Finish.
Tell her,
Over.
come on, we not argue with her.
Listen, I'm gone. Bye.
Some people will never learn.
Yeah, for real, man. I forgot to change my number down at the digital store. Don't.
Black her and done.
That if you do, you know.
Don't lie down and arrest somebody, yeah?
Yeah, now come on.
If you're out there,
Ooh. What the hell is this? Roxanne, you just can't leave us alone, huh? You really just can't leave us alone.
Would you
Time
like
to
to
go.
take a seat?
no.
No.
No?
You know, I'm taking a seat. And who the hell is this? You, when that fell in love with James Harden?
Don't worry about who this is. No, it's time for me to talk, right?
You're
What the hell is going on here?
So what you going to tell me? Make me listen to me.
This
Yes,
is our house.
please.
Time to leave. We never talk about the key.
Okay. Can I speak now?
You have 5 seconds.
Relax yourself.
What's going on here? What really are going on here?
So if you'd like, you can read, or would you like me to tell you?
My house. Yeah, I'm
It's
paying
not
for
your
it.
house anymore. You're not paying for it
Huh?
anymore. Because you
What?
bought it.
Bought it.
House bought.
Yes.
You are some fake scamming thing this?
You
How
can
can you bought
check.
this out? I've
You
been
can
paying
check.
for
Want
this.
the house?
Listen, let me deal with this. This
no,
is
no,
my
no, no,
house. I'm paying for this. Time to leave.
No, you listen to me, right?
Yo, where the hell? I want to that man. Listen, man.
Listen to me. It's time for you to leave. Now you with your unborn child, you have to go figure it out because me not ask if you're not going to
You never
She's
never
not going
want the
anywhere.
house.
Also,
My
me the
house.
already
I'm paying rent for it.
I'm gonna make it easier for you, right? Just give me a minute.
You're not the owner of this house. This is what
We never have a conversation about house.
I'm so confused, right? A good thing that we never did pregnant because
What?
You can get the other bag for me.
Whoa. What's that supposed to mean?
I'm not pregnant because what do you mean this is not your house?
You're supposed to be having my first
No,
child.
not anymore. Not anymore.
No,
What
Stevie,
is this?
listen
Where
to
the hell
me.
you going?
Listen to me. No, you, Miss
What is this?
Kenisha, what goes around, always come back around. No, babe,
She's
you
not
can get the
going
other bag
anywhere.
for me.
No, so this is
Yes, you are leaving. I'm coming
I'm
in
leaving.
peace. Me don't have time to argue with you. Listen
But
to
it
me.
also
Steve.
me up here for-
Listen to me, Steve. You're not paying for it anymore. I bought it. I just showed you that. Paying anymore because
I
I bought
push
it.
seven at people did pregnant.
Wait, what?
Hold on, what? You know?
What do you mean by nobody pregnant?
Oh, Jesus.
Pregnant.
Come
Hold
on.
on.
Stop.
Who this?
Hold on.
Hold
Who the
on.
hell is this?
Hold on, Kenisha, I'm glad
Let's
that Jim
leave.
say pregnant.
Okay, yeah, let's leave. Okay.
Who the hell is this?
Come
I
on.
mean, yo,
There's no
so
need
what
for
happened
you
to
to
you,
know.
Wagwan?
Whiskey, come on now.
What happened? How I go on?
Whiskey. Who the hell is
What
Whiskey?
happened to my woman and when I cuss
Yo,
her?
what going on in my house? Yo,
Come on now, Whiskey.
Yo, hold on, me here, Wagwan. Where's your Wagwan?
Whiskey,
the hell is
come
this?
now.
Wagwan.
Whiskey.
Wagwan, yes, sir.
Who are
Where you going?
I'm a woman this year. I'm a girl. And
Your
she
woman?
come for. I mean,
This is my
come for
baby. She's having my baby.
baby.
No, that's a lie.
Brother,
I'm not baby.
a dream.
Who the hell is this?
Hear me and son of
Yo,
man.
what the hell are going on right now?
So what going with she? What you mean? She pregnant for you?
Lie, Matthew.
So you that dead woman, brother, you that dead
Yo, what the
woman.
hell is this? First one show up with James
Yo,
and
no,
then
No,
two back.
not in my house.
Two fucking
No,
Oh,
away.
you
it's
that
Yo.
dead woman and talk about your
No,
breed,
hold
brother.
on,
Yo,
not in
you
my
look,
house.
yo, come on, Timmy.
Yeah, man.
Jesus
Yo,
Christ.
Wagwan.
You say you are CR, man?
What you mean? I mean, I live from ever
Because this
since.
is my niece.
You not.
Listen.
I mean,
listen,
if you come
your
back
time
and
for
go
talk
and
done.
I won't know by the way. I
listen,
don't
you
even
can't
know.
explain to you what was, right?
Where?
That's my niece. She
Kenisha.
came here to stay with me and this was my man. No, she's sleeping with my man and
Don't listen to nothing. what them
apparently
a say,
she's
baby.
not
Come
pregnant.
on.
She told me
Kenisha.
Listen.
I lie them I tell Whiskey.
You are
Come on.
sleeping
no,
man up here.
Whiskey.
Me now up here at them
No.
boy. You know, a man youth.
Come on now.
Baby, can
Kenisha.
Fix up thing this a go on. Yo,
The
brother. I'm a
Come
talk
on
for
now,
yo,
Whiskey.
stay with them. Cause me never
No.
bother make you come in out. Yo, stay with them, brother. Put your things in. Yo, no whole on stay up and on the mix up. Yo, me nah in a own in a.
When you can close the
yo,
gate on the way out.
Excuse me.
Leave with them.
Sir,
Leave
this is your
with
bag.
them.
You can.
Yeah.
You're gonna do this to me, the Roxanne?
Whiskey.
Just like that.
Close the door anyway.
For just one mistake. You're gonna do this to me. Roxanne. Who the hell? Roxanne. What go on right now? Where the hell may I go? Yo, Ronnie. Yo, what go on? Yo, you think we can use your back room till me start out? Brother, you don't even know. Yo, the girl Roxanne are wicked in her. When me reach them, me give the 100, man. Boy, dog, me not think that baby thing are gonna ever happen for me, bro. I know. So I still don't know how my ex-woman tell me that she's pregnant. Yo, Ronnie, actually, you don't even know, dog. Yo, woman, wicked in her, Ronnie. But when I reach, me give the 100, yeah? John won't start. you.